Hi Dress Up Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a mummy inspired by Beanie Boos. So let's get started. To draw this cute mummy, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And then I'm going to come inside and draw another circle. And one more circle right here on the side for a highlight. And then you can shade this part all in black. And this part would be the color of your mummy's eye. So let's come right across, say about this wide, and we're going to draw another circle. And once again, same thing, inside the center, right in the center. And another highlight. There. Now that the eye's in, let's go ahead and we're going to draw a curve right underneath the eye. So we're going to come out, we're just going to draw this kind of football shape right on top and bottom. So I'll say about right here towards, let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And here. So let's go ahead and we're going to go up first. We're going to go right over the eye. And draw this big curve. So same thing on the other side, about this wide, and go ahead and connect it. And then the bottom, same thing. We're just going to round this off a little bit, but this part on the bottom is going to be really close to eye and shallower in terms of the curve. There. I'm creating this opening so the top is a lot rounder, and then from there I'm just going to go ahead and quickly shade this part in black so you can see what's going on. So this is a huge space, so it's going to take a little while. So bear with me here. But thank you, cuties, for your support throughout the years. And I always look forward to this time of year where I can start to draw these really cute drawings for you to celebrate the holidays. So thank you for the requests to draw a mummy. I hope you love this one. I just wanted to find something very simple and cute to draw for you. So definitely let me know in the comments all your requests for Halloween that you would like to see. But I definitely have a lot of drawings coming up. So always just Google "Draw So Cute Halloween" and a bunch of stuff should pop up. Okay, so now that we have this opening, we are pretty much, that's the hardest part maybe. Now we're going to go ahead and just draw this dumpling shape around. So I'm going to come out to this point right here, come out right next to it, really close. Same thing right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw this big curve right on top of the head. So we're going to go nice and high, the top right here. Take a look. Right here, and then we're going to bring it down to about right here, and then see, now I'm looking at I'm going to make this out, pop this out a little bit more. Okay, there, now it's a little bit more even. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and start to round this part in. So this is kind of like the cheek area, so it's a little bit wider here and here. And then we're just going to go ahead and bring it down and connect. So the bottom is a little bit flatter. There. your basic dumpling shape here. So make any adjustments you need. Bring this out a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have the head shape in, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come about right here and here in the center of the eye, and we're just going to bring an angle line down, and then let's start to curve it in. So we're drawing a very simple body here, and let's see, how low do we want it? So let's say about right here. I'm going to find my center. I'm just going to draw a little curve right about here, and we're going to start the legs. So I'm just going to draw a curve, and we want short little legs. So I'm going to bow it in a little bit and curve it out. And let's just go ahead and connect everything towards the bottom and connect. So nothing complicated today, just nice, simple, cute mummy. There, we got the cute little legs in. And then for the hands, we're just going to come out about right here and shoot them straight out, and then curve and bring it in. So same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to make sure I'm about the same width, and just kind of take a look, about the same length. So about right here. There, got our two hands. Okay, so now to make it look like a mummy, we need to draw all the lines, curves for the wrapping. So I'm going to come right here. We're going to draw this little part that ties off, kind of like a ninja. And then let's draw our lines. So I'm going to come about right here. We're just going to draw a big curve all the way across. Just have fun with this. There's no right or wrong way, but I'm just going to come here, overlap some lines to make it look like there's wrapping all around this mummy. And then down here as well, all the way across. Maybe get at a curve here and then change it up. There. And then for the body, same thing. Let's see here. Like I said, there's no wrong or right way. You just want to go all around the body. Maybe here you can kind of cut it off so it looks like go up, like a little underwear, if you want. And cut it off here just to change it up. There. And for the hands, curve here, and then same thing here. And then we can add a little tie right here as well. Get extra cute, and then another one about here. There. And let's see, that is pretty much it. Now I'm going to come in here and just color it for you really quickly. so they're all done. I really hope you loved how they turned out. There's really not much to color because it's white, so just try to find like a very light gray where you can just go over all the wrapping lines and just create some shadow about here and here. But last but not least, I'm just going to come in here because I almost forgot I didn't draw a heart to make this my Draw So Cute mummy inspired by Beanie Boos. I was just going to do that right here over gray. And hopefully you love how the eyes turned out, but that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this and that I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.